I am gonna show you some clips just to give you a little history of this unit that we're looking at right here. Here goes. Okay, so let's talk about this cabinet a little. It comes with 3 shelves and it is solid pine. It doesn't have a door, but that's no biggie. We will be making doors for it, and it will be going right here where I'll take all this out. It will replace this station here. However, what's going to happen is I have to do some modification. There you go. That's the cabinet, friends. So this will be great storage in my kitchen. Hi friends, welcome back. I hope that you are all doing fine. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Valerie, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. As you can see behind me is a unit which was one and now it's in 2 pieces. It is in 2 pieces because of the job that I wanted to do in my home, and it is a vintage piece, so I will be, or vintage style, I will be making it over. So let's get started. When we cut the unit, the back actually became a little loose, so the first thing I want to do is to secure it. Now I have a compressor there, a nailing gun, but it's not nailing, so I'm gonna have to do it manual here. So and I'm just gonna use some very tiny nails. So one of the things we did when we were, before we cut, was to put some tape on, and then we drew the line on the tape. The tape helps to protect the wood so that the saw doesn't chew it up. Okay, so the reason why it is important to put the back on properly is because it does affect the, maybe minuscule, but it does affect the width. And so I want to get the right width in order to cut the piece for the top at the correct size. And so, yeah, that's why I did that first. Okay, so I will either be painting or staining the pieces because it's going in the kitchen, and if I leave it just like this, it's going to stand out too much. We bought one unit of Facebook Marketplace and we cut the unit into two. Why did we do that? Because we have an outlet right here, and so we use this area here as our media station in the kitchen where we put phones to charge, and sometimes my husband will put speakers or screens there that we can see something or play music. And so I did not want to just use this unit as a whole, because then I would only have the top of the unit. I wanted to have the surface here so that the cabinet could be more functional. And so far, I have been stocking the cabinet. Mason jars didn't get much to um, process this year because the garden didn't do as well. That's my um, preserves from last summer, actually. And that's our maple syrup that we actually process here at home. Organic maple syrup. But yeah, guys, I am planning to put, oh, not quite done. We're still doing a little finishing touch there. So I have to paint that out. And I also bought materials because when we bought the cabinet, it didn't have any doors. And I wanted this to be a closed storage. So I bought materials to make the doors. So when I make the doors, I will give you guys an update. But yeah, friends, don't be afraid to modify stuff when you buy them to suit your needs. Hi friends, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video when I show you how to make an easy butterfly valance for your window that you may want to decorate for the Christmas season. You take care now, sending you lots of love and appreciation.